In this Hostgator coupon code video, I'm providing you with an exclusive Hostgator discount so you can save money on your Hostgator web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name. To take advantage of the Hostgator coupon code discount, just click the link in the description below to be taken to Hostgator, so you can get up to 76% off your Hostgator web hosting purchase, plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. May not receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostgator discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to the Hostgator page. You'll see you'll get Hostgator hosting for as low as $2.99 a month. This is a great Hostgator offer as the pricing starts at $3.75 a month. Click the Get Started button or scroll down to the Hostgator hosting plan section. With our exclusive Hostgator coupon code offer, you'll get 73% off the Hatchling plan, getting web hosting for just $2.99 a month. The Baby plan, you'll get 76% off, getting hosting for just $3.99 a month. The Business plan, you'll get 75% off, getting hosting for just $5.49 a month. You'll be getting a great Hostgator discount, as here's the pricing you'd be paying without our exclusive Hostgator promo offer. The Hatchling plan is a popular plan as it comes with 10 websites and 10 GB SSD storage. The Baby plan comes with 20 websites, 20 GB SSD storage, phone and chat support, Cloudflare CDN, and increased performance 2V CPUs. The Business plan comes with 50 websites, 50 GB SSD storage, everything the Baby plan comes with, plus increased performance, 3V CPUs, daily website backup free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. Once you choose a plan, you'll be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name. If you aren't sure on a domain name now, you can select the Choose a Domain Later option and you can choose your free domain name at a later date. Next, you'll be on the cart page. You'll see your hosting plan here. If you click from the drop-down, you can select the term for your web hosting purchase. You get the lowest pricing with the 3-year term. The monthly plan, you won't receive a free domain name. You'll see the add-ons here. If you don't want any of them, you can click the trash can icon to remove them. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and your account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. You've successfully taken advantage of the Hostgator coupon code discount. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostgator hosting tutorial videos.